This video will explain how Alsager Town Council's public realm consultation is taking place. The landscape architects who were engaged did a lot of analysis and came up with proposals designed to deliver our ambitions as set out in the Alsager Neighbourhood Plan. In summary, these were about a clearer definition of the town centre space, prioritising pedestrians over drivers, and creating a sense of place and improving the visitor experience. You can read more about this in the proposals online. Just to be clear, accessibility underpins all proposals. We would also expect there to be no net loss of trees. First, let us focus on the overall scheme and strategy. In order to create a better sense of place, we will introduce gateways at all the 4 entrances to the town: Hall Drive, Shady Grove, Lodge Road, the station. And within that area introduce a 20 mph speed limit. Carriageways will be narrowed where appropriate to enable wider pavements, and within this area roads and pavements will be resurfaced with high quality, mostly natural materials, reflecting the characteristics of the current built environment. The carriageway would have a different colour to signal to everyone that this is a different kind of environment and that cars should slow down and take care. One of the key objectives is to enhance walking routes and connectivity throughout the town, including interfaces between the street and open spaces and buildings. We will provide more pedestrian crossings in locations which connect to relevant facilities and minimise crossing distances. Here you can see the locations proposed. The environment will be enhanced by removing superfluous street clutter, introducing high-quality street furniture and signage, and using public art to explore and celebrate the town's skills, histories and culture, and to add human interest throughout the town centre. Now, let me turn to specific proposals for different areas. 5 areas have been identified as shown here: West End, Milton Park, Bank Corner, Ashmore's Lane and Memorial Corner. At the West End, the key issue is to improve the Station Road Church Road junction. The proposal is to prevent the acute left turn from Crewe Road into Station Road and instead reverse the one-way for Cross Street so cars can turn left along Cross Street to reach Station Road, including turning right for the car park. There would also be some carriageway narrowing to create more space for pedestrians and reduce the crossing distance. Church Road would also be included in the 20 mph zone. It is also proposed to make the avenue one-way, southbound, to promote the road as a sustainable walking route. In the Milton Park area, we want to open up views and access to the park from the street, cutting back on some of the vegetation and moving the bus stop to within the park area. The formal gardens at the entrance would be re-landscaped for informal play. We would create a new and beautiful multi-purpose pavilion in the park to host events and performances and provide a meeting place. And the pavilion design would also be reflected in the new bus stop. We also want to upgrade Milton Park car park off Sandbach Road, including levelling the surface and providing a segregated, direct pedestrian link from Sandbach Road through to the park. There could be a parking ban in the park and no through access for Brookhouse Road to improve this as a walking route. At Bank Corner and the civic area, the boundary wall will be removed and replaced with sitting steps to allow access from all directions. Some existing trees will be removed to enable better views of civic buildings and more effective use of the space during events. We will make it easier to walk from Milton Park to Fairview Car Park, including enabling diagonal crossing of the road junction. We also want to take the opportunity to review the public toilet facilities and location. Moving now to Ashmore's Lane, the aim is to encourage this as a walking route from the station and to also improve the setting of the War Memorial. This is largely a question of narrowing the carriageway and widening pavements. At the Asda Junction, we would tighten the junction into Ashmore's Lane and introduce sculptural landscaping to screen parking. The Asda drop-off lay-by would be removed. Also, we would seek to remove access from the north side of Lawton Road to private car parks behind businesses and provide access instead from Fairview Car Park. This screen shows the different ways you can access the online questionnaire. I hope this brief introduction has helped you to understand the key proposals and that you respond to the consultation with your views. Thank you very much.